Hello everyone, welcome to AS online class and this is Narendra. So one more day, one more practice class and the SSC CGL examination is about another 2 months. So every day we will pick up some of the important questions which are frequently asked in the examination and we will discuss that, and we will discuss in the 3 mode. One question we will pick up and from that one question we will go with the 3 weights. And what is that? So question number 1, I will go with the very basic approach, and then in the second slide we will go with the magical approach or the short approach or the best approach, whatever you name it, and then the similar question I will give you to answer with the different values. So like that, in today's session we will be discussing this profit and loss, my friends, and then in which we will discuss the 7 questions. Every questions will have 3 slides, and then the students who ask the questions, that also I will discuss. Mr. Samir Pawar has asked 1 question in the last slide. I will discuss that too. Let's begin here without wasting the time. The very first question, my young friends. Now here is the question. What is the question? It says that a retailer marks the price of wheat per kg 50% above the cost price and offer 20% discount per kg. You are understanding the question? Now, but while selling, he cheats the customer by giving 10% less weight per kg. Find the overall profit or loss percentage of the retailer. And it is very, very common. It's a very common question which comes for different competitive examinations. So, shall we begin here? How to answer the question? Okay, yes, right. I have the another platform also, which is our paid course, is online paid course for the banking and SSC. Those people are wonderfully responding. That's right. I know that you people know. Achha, okay. Now start here. Now here, the very basic approach, the general approach. And then after that, I will go with a very magical approach for answering this question. Let's assume that 1 gram cost price is rupee 1. So what happens per kg it is talking about? Look at this one, per kg. That means the 1000 grams. So what will be the CP of 1000 grams? So 1000 grams CP will be rupees 1000. We understand that part up to now. It says that he marks it 50% above the cost price. So what will be the mark price here, and what will be the selling price over here, and what will be the cost price over here? Can you find it out? Yes, we can find it out. The mark price will be, this is 1000 into 150 by 100. That is what? If you refer the book, you will find this of writing. But wait, in the next slide, we will discuss with a very different method, which you can answer it in fraction of second, my friends. So here, look at this one. When I cancel this part, then I get this as 1500. Okay, fine. That is 1500 is the mark price. Now he gives a discount of 20%. So what will be the selling price? The selling price will be 1500 and discount 20%. That means he sells it at 80% of the mark price. So when he sells it at the 80% of the mark price, you directly multiply this by 0.8 or 80 by 100. Okay, then what you can do, notice over here is, this is 4 and this is 5, and with 5 this is 300 and 300 into 4, and that it comes 1200, my young friends. Right, so I got the selling price also. So what is the cost price? The cost price is already known to us, and the cost price is rupees 1000 and the selling price is 1200. But what is the actual cost price? The one cheating is there here. So he gives a 10% less weight for every kg. So what is his actual cost price? Do you think the actual cost price will be 1000? No, he is not giving the 1000 grams. Okay, he is only giving that 90% because he is cheating 10%. What is 10% of 1000? 100. So take out the 100, that means 900. So his actual CP is rupees 900. So write down that part also. His actual CP is rupees 900. So this is what the 900 is the CP, and then the selling price is 1200. Okay, and once we know this part that this is CP and this is SP, the difference of this will be profit. So what is the profit over here, my friends? So the profit is that's 1200 minus 900. So I notice that he has a profit of 300. This is how you will find in the book. So there is a profit of 300 over 900. So what is the percentage profit? So the no. Okay, so what is the percentage profit? The percentage profit will be 300 over 900. Did you notice that this is 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is nothing but 33.33%. So this is a very bookish way to answer the question which we cannot afford in the examination. Okay, that's good. And this is online paid batch, that's also responding well. Okay, now moving to the other alternate method to answer this question. And remember this, you have to note down this question or take the screenshot after I solve it. Same question is there. I am talking about the magical method or the very shortest method. Let's take what is said is 1000 grams. Okay, now he manipulates it and gives on 10% less. That means he gives 900 grams. So this 900 will be my CP. And what will be my SP? For that, I'll go with a very small calculation over here. That is, we know there is a formula x plus y plus xy by 100 that gives us the net effect of the two effects. And what are the two effects over here? I can see the price is increased by 50% and then again decreased by 20%, that is discount. So what is the overall percentage effect? So that is 50 minus 20 and plus minus 1000 by 100, which is 10. That means 20. So overall there is a profit of 20%. So what I need to do over here, take the profit of 20% on this 1000, then it will become 1200. Note down this properly and just have your copy and pen and practice with me, my friends. So this is my SP. This is my SP and this is my CP. And once I have the SP and CP, I can see that there is a difference of how much? That CP is how much more than SP? This is 300 more over 900. 300 is what percentage of 900? That is 300 by 900, 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3. And 1 by 3 is equal to 33.33%. Okay? Yeah, that's right. Here YouTube and our is online paid batch. Oh, wonderful. That's good. Now there is a question for you. And what is that question is all about? Here, the similar type of question. बिल्कुल वैसा ही question है. So now you take, I will give you some time to answer the question. A retailer mark the price of wheat per kg 40% above the cost price. 40% above the cost price. In previous case, 50% above the cost price. Here it is 40% above the cost price and offer 10% discount. There it was offered 20% discount. In this question, 10% discount. But while selling, he cheats his customer by giving 20% less weight per kg. Find overall profit or profit percentage of the retailer. Yes, my young friends, and I am giving you 30 seconds to answer it. And after that, I will respond to it. Answer this question with the best possible way. I am sure you know how to answer it. Okay. Try this and someone can answer the question. Come on, yes, is online paid batch. Oh, there are 17 people answered. Oh, that's good. Okay, come on. Any answer? Okay. Not to worry even if you didn't get the answer. So what is the answer? Check the answer if you have done it. Now, what is the case over here? 40% above the cost price and 10% discount. That means the profit will be 40 minus 10 and plus minus 400 by 100, that is 4, and which gives us that's 40 minus 14, that's 26%. This 26%, am I right? Yeah, 26% is the profit. Now what I do here is I'll take this 1000 grams as it talks about 1 kg and what it does. So 20% less weight. What is 20% of this? 200. Take out 200. So you are selling 800 grams. Okay. Now there is 26% profit. So what is 26% of 1000? 260. So 1000 plus 260, 1260. Now this is my CP and this is my SP, and the difference is 460. What is the profit percentage? So that is 450 is 460 actually. Okay, this 460 is what percentage of this CP, which is 800. So obviously in 200 this gets cancelled, and then you will notice that this 85 is 40, and then comes 87 is 56, and 85 is 40, 57.5. Yes, is online paid batches have wonderfully answered the question. That's good, that's good. I simultaneously connected our paid batch. Yes, online is offering the paid classes also. So those people are also there on the in another platform, that is our own platform. Okay, I am very happy to see you over here. You wonderfully answered the question, some of you. Next one. Shall I go to the question number 2 now? This is a shopkeeper sells 2 mobile phones. Okay. Look at this one. A shopkeeper sells 2 mobile phones for rupees 720 each. He gains a profit of 20% on one mobile phone and lost 20% of another mobile phone. Okay. So then what was the net profit or loss in the entire transaction? Yes, my friends. So I will go with the general method here. Then I will go with the speed methods, magical methods, and then I will give one question to you. Let's get ready. So let's solve this one. Solve this one with the general method. So it says that a shopkeeper sells 2 mobile phones for rupees 720. So this is the selling price. And in one there is a profit of 20%. So what will be the CP1? The CP1 will be 720 into 100%, whereas this is 120% because there is a profit of 20%. Okay, this will give us the CP1. Let's take that, what this CP1 gives us, that is 600. Okay, similarly I will find out CP2, where 720 is the cost price. In this case there is a loss of 20%. As there is a loss of 20%, that means this selling price is 80% of the cost price. So let's find it out 100%, where 80% is given to us. And is it a loss of 20%? Yes. So I notice that this gets cancelled 9 times, 900. CP is 900. Then you are asked that what is the overall profit or loss in the whole transaction? Can someone answer the question? Arey wow, Mr. Sai. Yeah, 4% loss. But the Sai, it is given in the value. It is given in terms of value, Sai. I really appreciate you know the formula. That is, if the 2 articles are sold at the same price. I am very happy, Sai, to notice that if SP of 2 article is same, and in one X% profits and in another, in the second one, X% loss, then overall there is a loss. How much loss? X square by 100%. And that's what Sai knows it. Yes, Sai. Well done, well done. No, but the question is not what is the percentage loss. Here I need to find out the value loss. So rightly said, I will first answer this question. Now here I got the CP1 and CP2. What is the total CP? The total CP is 1500, Mr. Sai and group. And here Mr. Kishore and group from Ace online paid class. That's good. Now here it is 1500. And what is the total SP? The total SP is just wait. And the total SP is I see that 2 times of that, the 0 and 2 and 2 4 and 7 2 is 14. This is what SP. And this is what CP, and I notice that the CP is greater over SP, so therefore there is a loss. How much loss? 60 is the loss. So then take that there is a loss of 60 over, that's what you are asked to find out the loss, and the loss is 60. So loss is 60 less, option choice B, Mr. Sai and group, and here Kumar and group. Yeah, that's right. Well done. Okay. Now, what is the alternate way to answer the question? As Sai has rightly suggested, that go with that formula, that is overall there is a loss, and what is that loss? 20 square by 100, which is 4% loss. And what is the overall selling price? The overall selling price is 2 times of 720, and that comes the 0 and 2 to 4 and 7 to 14. And from here I need to take out 4% loss. So what is that 4%? The 4 over 100 or 4 over 96. So as this is selling price, and the selling price there is a loss of 4%. Therefore the cost price 100, selling price loss 4%. So 100 minus 4, 96. So this is 96%. So I need to write down 96 over here. So I will directly get the loss value. And notice that this gets cancelled how many times? It is 2 and 4, 24 times. And with 24, this gets cancelled how many times? 60 times. So what is your loss? The loss is 60. Sai and group. Okay, here, yeah, Kiran rightly answered the question. Yeah, that's right. So this is your answer. Now, from here, from YouTube, the Sai, can you answer this question? That's for you. Let us see that what this question is. A shopkeeper sells 2 mobile phones for rupees 2,970 each. Similar type of question. He gained a profit of 10% on one mobile phone and lost 10% on the another mobile phone. So I noticed that here Mr. Kishore, yeah, right, Mr. Kishore, here look at this one, is online paid batch, Kishore. So this is 10% profit and the same 10% loss, and the selling price of 2 articles is same, Mr. Sai. Okay. So what is the overall profit or loss percentage? And for here you have 30 seconds to answer it, Mr. Sai. Come on, Sai and group, answer it. We every day we will work out for 1 hour. You obviously working at home for 8 hours, 12 hours, depending upon your ability. Come on. I'm sure this time Sai will be able to answer it. Okay, here, yeah, very good. Yes, online paid batches. Wonderful response. Oh, wow. Sai says 60. Shall I check the answer? No, Sai, no. It is 30. It is 30. Okay, let's work out. How do we do that? The overall there is a loss. So what is the loss here? I notice that 10 square by 100% is nothing but 1% loss. So let's take the 2 times of that, because this is a selling price each. So take the 2 times of that, that's 0, and 2 7 is 14, carry 1, and 2 9 18 plus 1 19, carry 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5. This is the selling price. So this is 99%. So that divide this by 99%. How is it 99%? Because there is a loss of 1%. So this selling price is 99%. I need the 1% over here. So into 1 divided by 99, Mr. Sai. Yeah, that's right, my friends. So now look at this one, how many times it goes, sir? So will it go 6 times? 6, 9, 6, 54. 9, 6, 54, carry 4, and 9, 6, 54, 5, 59. Yes, you are right. The answer should be this one, option B. Right, Sai. Keep it up. Couple of questions we will discuss which will definitely help you. Well done. Moving to the second question now. Third question actually this is. Now, that's what the question is. Let's look at what question is all about. The profit earned on selling an article for rupees 3,420 is twice the loss. Is twice, 2 times the loss incurred on selling the article for rupees 2,880. Okay, what's the question? Find the cost price of the article. Can I answer this question with 2 different methods? One is from the very basic approach. The other one is the short method, magical method, whatever you call it, my friends. Now, I noticed that this is the selling price. Let's cost price be C. From selling price, if I take out the C, I will get the profit, because in this selling price there is a profit. So it comes in this way, that is 3,420 minus C. This is my profit, and this profit is twice the loss. And the loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Yes? Yeah. So what is the selling price over here? That is 2,880. This 2 times, twice. The profit is twice. So let's take that. This is 2 times of it. So I will get the C over here. Look at this. What happens? That's 3,420 minus C is equal to 2C minus 2 times of that. That's 0, 2, 8 is 16, carry 1, and 56 and 57. Okay. So hope everyone is understanding this part, what we are writing here. So this one, let me write it properly. This is minus. Okay. Now when I take this C the other side, it will become 3C. So let's take that 3C over here. Then 3C is equal to, then this comes the other side, the minus will become plus. So that's 80, and 7, 4 is 11, carry 1, and 8 and 1, 9. So what is the cost price? So divide this by 3. So this gets cancelled how many times? 3 times, and 0 and 6 and 0. This is the cost price. Okay. Now what is the question? So what is the cost price of each article? Cost price of each article is 3,060, Mr. Sai. So do we have option 3,060? Yeah. It's there. These all are very important questions, frequently asked questions in the competitive exams. Whether it's a banking exam, SSC CGL examination, SSC CHL examinations, railway recruitment board examination, these are frequently asked questions. But you may ask that, Narendra, is this the way to answer the question? I will say no, not that. What is the correct way? Let's see here, the magical method or short method. So here, what is the difference between these two? So I noticed that the difference is, that's 0, and then it comes, that's 12 minus 8 is 4, and then it is 3, and 13 minus 8 is 5. That's what the difference between the two selling price. Divided by, it is said that the profit is 2 times of loss. So if the loss is 2, the profit is 1. And what is the total number of parts, my friends? Look at this one. Don't forget this method. How many total parts? 3 parts are there. So divide this by 3 parts and you will be getting this as 18. Is it? that is 18, 3 is 54, so 180. Okay, what is this 540? The difference between these two selling price. What is this 3? The profit is 2 times of loss. That means profit to loss ratio is 1:3. So with that 3 I divided this. I got 180. Add this 180 to the smaller selling price. Smaller selling price. So that means that's 2880 plus 180, and look at what comes. There's 0 and 16 carry 1, 9, 1, 10 carry 1, 2 and 1, 3. That's done, Mr. Sai. That's over, sir. This is the only thing I need to do in the exam. And these are some stereotypic questions are there. Look at this one, the way how much writing we took here. But look at this way, how did we get it? My answer is 3060. Now it is time for you to answer the question. I am giving a slide where there is a question for student. So the student question. Similar question. Try this, my friends. The profit earned on selling an article for rupees 10,880 is thrice. Here the profit is 3 times. Okay, 3 times the loss incurred on selling the article for rupees 7,040. The cost price of the article is, I am sure, Sai, you will answer the question and the time is for you. Come on. Answer it, my friend. I have a 30 years of experience of teaching. I was the provisionary officer of Bank of Baroda. I was previously, prior to that, I worked in State Bank of India as clerk. So I have a lot of experience of my own preparations with the training of the people from all the examinations. So take the advantage of my experience, right? Now it is your time to get into the bank or central government. Answer this. 8,000. Okay, wow. Rock dead. Yeah, really rock dead, Shai. Well done. Okay, let's answer this question. Sai, can I request you ask one question to me? Post one question in the comment box after the class. And tomorrow I will discuss that. Tomorrow I do have class. Same timing. Will you? Okay, Joseph Cool. Oh, that's right. Very good morning, Joseph. Very good morning. May I request you, Sai, post one of your doubt from any area of quantity, aptitude and reasoning. So tomorrow class I will discuss that. Now let's check how to answer this question. So I will take the difference between these two. So that's 0 minus 0 is 0. Who is my new friend, sir? Joseph. Joseph, see here, the 8 minus 4 is 4, Mr. Joseph. And then 8 minus 0 is 0 over here. And then 10 minus 7 is 3 over here. This is the difference between the two selling price, as Sai has rightly said. Okay. Yeah, Sai. Very good morning, Joseph. Very good morning. So now, Joseph, I took the difference between these two and then divided by what it is said thrice, Joseph. It is saying that the profit is 3 times of the loss. That means the profit to loss ratio is 1:3. That means the total part is 4. So divide this by 4 and whatever comes, that should be added to 7,040. Mr. Joseph, right? Tomorrow you will be my friend and tomorrow you will be a central government employee, sir. So that is 4, 7 is 28 and the remainder is 2, 4, 6 and 0. Now my answer is 7040 plus 760 and that comes 760 or 960. 8,000. 7,040 and divided by 4 and 4, 7, 28 and this is 0 and this 0 then 718. Why I am getting the different number? Did I take the different answer? Okay, I made a mistake. Joseph, you are watching it and then not telling me that Narendra, you wrote the wrong number. What is that, Sai? You could have been told me. Okay. So, chaliye. Here it is, that is 8. That's 8. Now, erase this part now, because we get the different answer. Now here, that is 4 and 8 and 3. So with 4, 9, 36 and 4, 6, 24, 0. So this value is 960. So what I need to do, Mr. Joseph, if you are listening, then take the smaller selling price, that is 7040, and add this 960, and you are getting 8,000, which my friend has rightly said. Well done. Well done. Joseph, 3840 will come. No, sir. Acha. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Joseph. So shall I move on to the next question? Let's move on. Here. Now question number 3. Actually the number placed wrong. It's question number 4, my friends. So here, what is the question here? Look at this one. A farmer sells 2 oxens for rupees 23,625. He sells one at a loss of 10% and the other at a gain of X%. The one at a loss of 10%, the other one at a gain of X%. Okay. So he neither loses nor gains on the whole trade. So what is the value of X? So there's answer it, my friends. Okay, move on. Okay, so how do we answer this question? Allow me to answer this one. Here there is a profit of a loss of 10%. When there is a loss of 10%, okay, right comment. Okay, so if I consider that general method, if CP is equal to 100x, then the SP will be, obviously as there is a loss of 10%, will be 90x, and which is equal to 23,000. Look at this one. Sells 2 oxens for rupees this each. So that is, this selling price is 23625. That's what. So can I get the X value? Yes, I can get the X value over here. So can I get the X value? Can you please tell me the X value? But the question is that, okay, I can see the comment. So I need to find out the cost price, because selling price is there. I need to find out the cost price. So in order to get the cost price, I need to find out 100%. So can I directly find out 100%? Yes, we can directly find out the 100%. Let's do it. That is 23625 into 100x divided by 90x, Mr. Sai and others, Mr. Joseph. So I get this as the CP1, cost price 1. So similarly, if I get the cost price 2, then the total selling price will be equal to the total cost price, because there is no profit and no loss. So let's find it out. How much do I get over here? So XX gets cancelled, this 0 gets cancelled, and with 9 this will get cancelled. 9 2 is 18. I left with 5 here, and 6 is 54. I left with 2 here, and this is 25, and followed by 0. So I get this as 26. Come on, my friends. We together will practice every day 1 hour. So it is 26250. So this is what I get the cost price. Okay, anyone answer the question? Saya is saying 26,250. Yeah, that's good, Mr. Sai. Well done. So what is the loss here? What is the loss here? This is what the cost price is, and this is what the selling price is. So there is a loss. Can I find out the loss? And why should I find out the loss? Whatever there is a loss, the same is the profit. Therefore, the selling price and the cost price is same. So the loss here will be, let's take the loss. will be, that is 26,250, Mr. Sai, minus 23,625, and that will give us the overall loss. Can you write down the loss? Anusha says option B. Wonderful, wonderful. So, okay, and here I see that 2,625 is the profit or loss. It's a profit because this is a cost price and this is a selling price. So, I will say this is profit. Rightly said. Rightly said. Yes, Aman, this is profit. And how much is the profit? The Aman is already saying that the profit is how much? 2625. Okay, that's right. The difference, it is simply take the difference, 50 minus 25 is 25, and the rest you got the profit. Now what is next here? Now what will be CP2? So whatever profit you are getting here, you are losing the same one in the second one. So what will be the cost price 2? The cost price 2 will be, CP2 will be, that's 23,625 plus the profit which you got in one, that is 2625, and the total is cost price 2. In the other cost price, this was the selling prices, and then you will be subtracting, right? Because there is a profit here. So what you need to do is here, you need to subtract here. Yeah, that's right. Someone has noticed that it has to be subtract. There is selling price and there is a profit. Now you can say 625 gets cancelled, 23 minus 2, that comes 21. This is what the CP2. Now you know that there is an profit 2,625, there is an cost price, you can find out the profit percentage. So here this way the question goes in the general approach. But can we afford to have so many calculations in the examination if we have the alternative? No, we will not do this way. So what is the alternate way? So let's check that. 12.5%, someone has rightly answered it. No, Anusha, you says option B, it is 12.5% if you move on. Okay. Now, the same question, we will answer it in a different method. This is the best method, and I never did it. Honestly saying that I never did it with this method. I only explained you, but this is a method which we are going to do here. Let's take that, the CP here. The CP is the farmer sells 2 oxens for rupees this each. The selling price is same. So I will consider the CP1, if it is 100, then what about the loss? There is a loss of 10, and in the other case there should be a profit of 10. Then only there will be no loss and no profit. Okay, here there is a loss 10. So what will be the selling price? The selling price will be 100 minus 10, that is 90. And here it says the selling price of 2 is same. So if this is 90, the second article selling price is also 90. So if you know that selling price is 90 and the profit is 10, then what will be the cost price? Selling price minus profit. That is 90 minus 10 is 80. So 80 is your cost price. Here it's over, my friend. This is your CP in the second article, and this is your profit. What is your profit percentage? The 10 is what percentage of 80? In other word, 1 is what? 1 by 8, and 1 by 8 is 12.5%. That's over. It's so simple. Look at the previous explanation. I still left so many calculation is there. If you look at the book, you will find this solution. But every day 1 hour we will discuss together. Hope everyone understood it. Now it is for your term. I will give the slide for you. It's here. Answer this question, my friends. Come on. Answer this question, my young friends. Tomorrow, today you are student, tomorrow you will be officer in the bank or somewhere else. A farmer sells 2 oxen for rupees 19,750. You know that in this method we have nothing to do with what is the price here. We have nothing to do if we are following this method. Okay, in that case, let's come to this. I have nothing to do with this. He sells the one oxen at a profit of 25% and the other one at a loss of X%. Over he neither gets a profit nor loss. Similar to the previous one, overall he gets neither profit or nor loss. Okay, find the value of X. Come on, here is your 30 second. Answer it. Come on, answer it. Do we have some time? Yeah, 9 minutes is there. Answer it, my friends. Come on. 1/8 here in this question. Sai, Joseph. Let's check the answer, and the answer is 16.67. Okay, some of you are correct, some of you are right. So how do I answer the question here? Let's the CP be 100 and this is CP. And there is a profit of 25%, then profit is 25, then what will be the selling price? Selling price will be 125, and it is said that the selling price of 2 articles is same, right? Here 17,750 each. So this one will remain same as 125. Now, and whatever the profit you get here, the same you are getting the loss in the other article. Therefore, there is no profit and no loss. So that means if you are getting the profit here, your loss is also 25. Then what will be your selling cost price? Selling price 125. And here there is a loss. This is loss. Because in one case if it is profit, in the other case the same loss. Therefore, there is no profit, no loss. So, if there is a loss of 25 and the selling price is 125, the cost price should be 125 plus 25, that is 150. This is what your cost price is, and this is your loss. So, what is your loss percentage? The loss percentage is 25 over 150, 1 by 6, 16.67% over. Done. Oh, that's good. Well done. So, I'll move on to the next question. Coming over here, the next question number 4. Actually, this is question number 5. Coming to this part. What is this question? So, 9 minutes are left. So, we can discuss the 2 more questions. A fruit seller bought a certain number of mangoes at a total cost of rupees 1,500. He sold 1/4 of the mangoes at 20% loss. 1/4 of the mangoes at 20% loss. If he earns an overall profit of 13%, at what profit percentage did he sell the rest of the mangoes? Okay. Can I directly answer the question with the best possible method? I'll answer this question with the best possible method. And what is this method is? Let's move on. This magical method. Here it is sold at 1/4 20% loss. Okay. So I will directly take this as 1/4 at 20% loss minus 20. And the remaining, what is that remaining? The remaining will be 3/4. So 3/4 at X% profit. Then only there will be overall 13% profit. So here you need to add this one because this is profit. Now, what happens in this case here? Notice that whatever will be the result, this is the best method to answer this question. So here I get -5 and plus 3x by 4, which is 13. When the minus goes the other side, with 13 plus 5 will be 18. So I get this 3x by 4, which is equal to 18. Then what is x? The x here, it gets cancelled 6 times, and 6 4 is 24. So what should be my answer? 24%. Do we have option 24%? Yes, option. Okay, x. I think it should be 24%. Option C. Yes? Understanding this? Okay. Now it is your turn to answer the question. And here is the question. Answer this question. What is the question? Let me read down. And it says that a fruit seller bought a certain number of mangoes at a total cost of rupees 2,700. He sold 1/3 of the mangoes at 20% profit. If he earns an overall profit of 28%, at what profit percentage did he sell the remaining mango? And here is your time. Here is your time. Yeah, Anusha, doing well, doing well. Joseph, answer it. Yes? Okay, after 30 seconds I will answer this question. Now, he sells 1/3 at 24% profit. So, as it is profit, it will be positive 1/4 into 24. Fine. And here, and 1/3 at 24% profit. He earns overall 28% profit. That means greater than 24. So the second one is also on profit. So it is plus because it's profit. Now what part? This is 1/4, then it will be 3/4. Let's assume that this profit is X% and the overall is 28%. That's what the profit is. From here you get the answer. And Anil Singh, it can then be can be done through allegation. Amit Singh, wow, very good morning, Mr. Amit. Very, very good morning, Amit. Okay, so it can be done in this way, Amit, and you are right. Amit Singh is right when he says that it can be done in the allegation measure. So I will get the x value over here. So here I get the 6 over here, and the 6 will go the other side. If the 6 goes the other side, then 28 minus 6, I get how much is that? Okay, 1/4, 1/3. Acha. Okay. Allow me to erase this all because I have taken the 1/3 here. So 1/3 at 24% profit, and the remaining 2/3 at X% profit, and overall 28% profit, and then you find that this this value is become 6, and when the 6 goes the other side, then 28 minus no, it's not 6, it is 8. So when 8 goes the other side, 8 goes the other side, so it will become minus, and 28 minus 8, which is 20, and divide this by 2, which is 10, and 10 into 3, which is 30. So what is the x value? The x value is 30%. Anyone got the answer? Oh, that's great. That's great. Arey, Sumit Pawar ji. Welcome, sir. Very good morning, Sumit Pawar. Okay, so let's take 30%. You are right, Sumit. Sai, please post one question. Yesterday, Sumit has posted one question which I will explain it. Okay, after one more question. Now, here is the next question. And this will be the last question. After that, I will go to the question which is posted by Sumit Pawar from Maharashtra. I request everyone to post at least one question. One question. Any area, whether it's a reasoning, whether it's a quant, any chapter, we will discuss in the class. Now, coming over here, a salesman sells an article at a loss of 15%. Had he bought the article at 10% less and sold it for rupees 46 more, he would have earned a profit of 20%. So, what is the selling price of the article? Now, we will answer this question with the best possible methods. I am directly going with, I will not answer this question with the general method. So, let's see that. A salesman sells an article at a loss of 15%. So, if the CP is 100, the loss is 15 and the SP is 85. That's what it is. Now, if he bought the article at 10% less, that means the CP will be 90. Okay. Now, in this case, he is getting a profit of 20%. So, if the profit of 20%, that means what is 20% of 90? 18. So, that's a 90 plus 18, which is 108. Now, what is the, how much is the selling price more? 46 more. Now, here is the beauty, Sumit Pawar, that is the difference between this 85 and 108, that is 15 plus 8 is 23 parts, and that 23 parts is equal to how many rupees? Rupees 46. So, 23 parts. 23 parts is 46 rupees. Then one part will be rupee 2. So, what is the selling price? So, you are asked the selling price, and the selling price is 85 parts. 85 parts will be 2 times of 85, which is 170. Anyone answer the question? Yeah, Pawarji, namaste. Anyone answer the question? 170 should be the answer. 185 into 2. I am just writing it for the sake of writing. 85 into 2. Psi 170. Okay. Now, I will give one question to you, and then I will go with the Sumit Pawar's question here. It's for you. Answer it. Look at this one. A salesman sells an article at a loss of 20%. Now, had he bought the article at 12% less and sold it for rupees 960 more, he would have earned a profit of 40%. So, what is the selling price of the article? Here is your 30 seconds, and then I will discuss Sumit Pawar's question. Come on. Almost 15 seconds delay avutundi. Yes, 7 more seconds, 6 more seconds. Come on, come on. Some of you answer the question. Okay, done. And your answer is 3,520. Okay. Now, check the answer. How do we do it? If the CP is 100, there is a loss of 20. The selling price will be 80. Yes, sir? Let's move on next. And what it is said that he sold for, had he bought it at 12% more. So, this will be 112. Bought it 12% more. Then in that case 40% profit here. If the profit is 40%, 12, it says that 12, had he bought it at 12% less. Okay, not more, it is less, 12% less. So in the case of 12% less, it will be 88. Okay, 12% less. Then what will be 40% of this number? The 40% profit So let's take the 40% that I think it is disturbing the calculation, but it does not matter. Try to answer the question. That's 4 8 is 32, carry 3, and 4 8 32 plus 3 is 35. I don't think it is correct. So there is some mistake in the figure mentioned over here. Leave it this here. And finally, it is about Sumit Pawar, your question here. I directly go to the question which is asked by Sumit Pawar, posted in YouTube comment. It is here, Mr. Sumit Pawar, for you. What is this question? Bharat bought 2 articles at the same price. No, not this one. Not this one. After this, it's a student question segment, and in this segment what I do is whatever you post on YouTube comment, I discuss in the next day, and it is Sumit asked this question. What is the question? Look at this one. A sum of money was lent in 2 parts in the ratio of 4:5, Mr. Sumit, that is what you asked, for 4 years and 5 years respectively, both at 8% per annum simple interest. If the difference between the interest earned by 2 parts is the difference of interest is given, then the question is what is the total sum lent? I encourage everyone to ask at least one question. In YouTube comment, you post it. Next day I will discuss it. Look at this one. What about the first one? I will consider this as 4x. What is the rate of interest? 8%. For how many years? It is for 4 years. That's right. So what do you get over here? 4 4 16, and 16 into 8 is 108. So 108 percentage, because by 100 is there. So you will get 1.08 of x. You are getting the interest here. And what is the interest, Sumit? It is for you, my friend. That is 5x here. And what is the rate of interest? 8%. And what is the time? 5 years. So 8 5 40, and 40 into 5, that's 200. So that is 2.00x. What is the difference between these two? So the difference between these two is 92, 0.92. So let's take this one, Mr. Sumit, 0.92. I hope I am right. 4 4 16, 108. And here 0.92x is already given to us. And how much is that difference? The difference is 4,680, my friend. What is my requirement? The total sum. And what is the total sum? 9x. 4 plus 5, 9. So what is 9x? That's over. So can I answer the question now? Yes. So in order to eliminate the decimal, I will place the 2 0 over here. And will this number get cancelled by 92? Let's check that. That is 9, 2 is 18, carry 1 and 9. No, that is 4. 4 to 8 and 4, 9. Did I go anywhere wrong or any typing wrong? 4680, and here it's a 4 4 16 and 16 8 108 here. So this is a difference is 0.92x, and the 0.92x is equal to how much? That is 4,600. Then it should be correct. Where we are going wrong? Did I made any mistake in writing the question? Did I? No. So I will answer this question again. Answer this question again. Look at this one. A sum of money is lent at 4%, and this 4%, 4 part and 4 4 16, and 16 into 8 is 108, as it is percentage 108x minus the difference of interest is given here. So here 5 parts for how many years? 5 years. So 5 is 25 and 25 into 8% per annum. 25 into 8 is 200. So that is 2.00x, and that difference is given to us is 4680. It's a difference, that means mod. So I noticed that this should be 0.92x, and which is equal to 4680. Will it get cancelled by 595 or 6? Okay, anyhow, let's find it out. What I need to find out is then what is the total sum length? The total sum length is here. Got it, Samir? That is, what is 9x? Can we find it out? Yes, we can find it out. And your answer is 58,500. So this is the way we can answer the question. So with this, as the another class is scheduled here, I will conclude it. Please post your video, your question on the comment box. I will discuss it in tomorrow's class. Tomorrow there is a class and the topic is, I think, mixture and delegation. So with this, wish you all the best to all my friends. Thank you very much.